In this video, I'll show you the tricks to transform your slow and lagging laptop into a lightning fast machine. So let's dive in and get your laptop running like new. First, simply right click on your taskbar, click on Task Manager and go over here into this startup section. And here you can see we have a vast list of programs that actually starts as soon as you turn on your machine and that keeps running in the background. So simply click over them and disable them. For example, I don't need this Microsoft Teams to be running in the background. So I would simply click over here, disable. Similarly, phone link, click and disable. And then simply close it from here. Next, go over here into the Windows search and write View Advanced System Settings. Click over here. In the System Properties, choose this option Advanced. In the Performance option, click on Settings. And over here, you can see we have a bunch of options. Simply choose this one, Adjust for Best Performance. And out of these given options, check these ones. Animations in the taskbar. Check it. Save taskbar thumbnail preview. Show thumbnails instead of icons. Show window content while dragging. And smooth edges of screen fonts. And now click on Apply. Click on OK. OK. Go back to Windows Search and again write View Advanced System Settings. Again go to Advanced Performance and click on Settings. Again in Performance options choose Advanced, and over here you can see we have this option Virtual Memory. A paging file is an area on the hard disk that Windows uses as if it were a RAM. Click over here and uncheck this option. Click on Custom, and here we are going to allocate a virtual memory on our hard disk. You might know virtual memory is a kind of fake RAM. When your system runs low on RAM, then Windows automatically takes up some space from your hard drive and consider it as a RAM. This is normally done by your Windows itself. However, we can also manage it ourselves. But over here in my case, you can see minimum allowed 16 MB, recommended 1906, currently allocated 1280. So recommended right now is 1906, but in Microsoft Windows community there was a discussion in which someone suggested that we can actually have the initial size 1.3 times that of our RAM, and this maximum size can be 3 times that of our RAM. Now let me show you my RAM. I'm going to click over here into the properties, and you can see my system has installed RAM is 8 GB. Now let me calculate the initial size for my virtual memory. So I have 8 GB of RAM and I'm going to multiply it with 1024 is equal. This gives me the total random access memory or RAM in MBs. And now let me multiply it with 1.3. I'm going to copy this option and paste it right over here into my initial size. And let me delete this digit after point, and similarly remove this comma as well from the middle. And now let's calculate the maximum size. It is always best to go for the recommended one, but if your system lags too much, then you can use this option, which is 1024 multiply with 8 is equal to 8192 and multiply it with 3 is equal. So this is going to be the maximum size that I'm going to set for my virtual memory. Simply paste it over here, remove this comma, click on OK. You can see the changes you have made require you to restart your computer before they can take effect. So you need to restart your system. So after restart, changes will take effect. Now the last option that you can try is to go to Storage Sense. Simply go to Storage Settings, and right over here you can see Storage Sense can automatically free up space by getting rid of files you don't need, like temporary files and content in your recycle bin. So simply turn it on like this. And last but not the least is simply go over here into your C drive, right click and go to Properties and click on Disk Cleanup, and simply click on OK to delete all those unnecessary files that keeps piling up on your system. Now click on OK, and that's it. I hope your system would be running quite fast right now. If you have found this tutorial useful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.